Well, guys, it is currently raining. So let's go let all the animals out in the rain. You know, super fun. Let's spend a rainy day together on the homestead. I am doing some homestead chores first thing in the morning. No matter the weather, hurricane, rain, snow, sleet, animals have to be fed and let out. So chickens are always first because they're just the first thing that I come to. Generally speaking, the chickens are crazy. They like to stay out in the rain. Normal animals go into their shelter when it's raining, but not my chickens. They are crazy. And you'll see them a little bit later on in the day. Once they've been out in the rain all day, they look like wet rats. Okay, now let's go to the pigs. Hello, piggies. Are you loving the rain? Are you loving the rain? That's my girl. Yeah. They have their treats, but this one knows better. He said, I'm the smart pig. I know that she just gives us treats to distract us. Silly boy. You're too smart. Okay, back up so Mom can get in. Also, because it was so rainy, I did not wear my boot in here because it would just be a mud hole. Oh, move out of my way. Okay, fight over it. What? Everybody's got food and lots of mud, just like you like. Ugh. Okay, shelter's still nice and dry. Shelter behind the shelter is even drier. Okay, everybody is all fed and all good. Okay, well, back inside, I did things a little in reverse order today just because I slept in. So, animals got fed first. My dog is tearing up my pillows. Animals got fed first about 6 a.m. and now I am in the house. It's about 6:25. It took a little bit longer because of the rain. But it's about 6:25 now and I am going to start on my Bible reading. So once I was finished with my Bible study, I just got on with some regular chores. As always, I try my best to do a load of laundry a day, even when it's raining. Generally speaking, when it is raining outside, I will not do any whites, so no towels. They are thick and they don't dry well inside, so I try to wait for a sunshiny day to do whites. So I did a load of darks here, and we will just dry those inside later in the day. I did a little more picking up around the house, and then I needed to get started on some work. So first of all, I have to clean off my desk. I had some random stuff on my desk, and I needed to get that out of the way. Then I spent the next 6 hours or so answering emails, chatting with team members, being on meetings, and then just getting some data work done. So this is just a little compilation of the work that I did through the day for my typical work from home job. Most days I am able to get up and do things around the house in between meetings, in between getting projects done, just like if you were in a normal office building, you would be able to get up, take breaks, go talk to your coworkers about some things, and just do general in-life things. But there are some days that it is very hard for me to get away from my desk. I have them some goodies to give them along with their dinner. Hello, look at all your new mud. Are you so happy? Look, they love the mud. Say, we're piggies and we love the mud, aren't we? Aren't you? I gotta switch hands here. There you go. Have some scraps. Oh, they love scrappies. Okay, now Chase was giving the chickens the last watermelon that I bought yesterday, but now I need to come and feed pigs. Okay. Good enough. Also, got dirty. Shocker. Shocker, shocker, shocker. Come play in the pig pen, they said. It'll be fun. I mean, it's not that bad. That gets wiped off on the apron. I can wipe that off too. Okay, I gotta tie this. I need 2 hands. Okay, that is the pigs. They're eating now. Chickens have some watermelon, and I am gonna go finish some dinner. And then I need to hang out my clothes in. You would think that the chickens were smart enough to go inside when it's raining, but they're weirdos and just like looking like wet rats, because the coop is clearly open for them to go in, and it has an awning so it does not get wet inside the coop, but they're doofuses. Also, they just got some watermelon, but as you can tell, they've been out all day in the rain because they're silly. But it's not cold, so they're happy. Hello, babies. Hello, babies. All right, so back inside to get this laundry hung up. If it is raining or nasty outside, I generally will not hang up my clothes outside. So with that said, here is my setup for hanging clothes inside. I have some hanging racks for small little items that just lay over bars. And then I also have a stand-up rack where I can hang up my shirts and dresses. If I have anything big or bulky like pants or jeans, depending on how many of them I have washed, I will either hang them on the tall rack on those very last hooks, or I will hang them on the very end of my rack just like I did those. Those were just some pajama pants though, so they should not take too long to dry. Now it is dinner time. I made some creamy tortellini soup for dinner, and as always, it is delicious. You can find the recipe for this soup on my website, hawthornehomemaker.com. It is so delicious and wonderful and perfect for a rainy day. I hope y'all enjoyed this rainy day in the life of a homemaker and homesteader. See y'all later.